Affidavits versus consent in USA labor law, understanding their distinctions and applications. In the intricate framework of USA labor law, legal mechanisms such as affidavits and consent play pivotal roles in safeguarding the rights of employees and employers alike. While both serve distinct purposes, understanding their differences and applications is essential for navigating the complexities of employment disputes and contractual agreements. Affidavits, sworn testimonies of truth. Affidavits stand as sworn testimonies, crafted by individuals under oath or affirmation, to attest to the truthfulness of certain statements or events. Within the context of labor law, affidavits serve as vital pieces of evidence in legal proceedings, offering first-hand accounts of workplace incidents or affirming the validity of specific facts. In employment disputes, affidavits often serve as powerful tools for employees to substantiate claims of discrimination, harassment, or unfair treatment. By detailing their experiences and providing factual evidence, individuals can bolster their cases and seek redress for grievances. Additionally, affidavits may be used to affirm the terms of employment contracts or document observations regarding workplace policies or procedures. However, the integrity of affidavits lies in their adherence to truthfulness. Individuals who provide false or misleading information in affidavits risk facing severe legal consequences, including charges of perjury. Therefore, it is imperative for affiants to ensure the accuracy and honesty of their statements when submitting affidavits in legal proceedings. Consent, voluntary agreement to terms and conditions. In contrast, consent in labor law refers to the voluntary agreement of individuals, typically employees, to specific terms and conditions of employment. Consent is often obtained through the signing of consent forms or agreements, wherein individuals acknowledge their understanding and acceptance of various provisions. One common application of consent in employment is in pre-employment processes such as background checks and drug testing. Prospective employees are typically required to provide consent for these checks as part of the hiring process, allowing employers to verify their suitability for the position. Similarly, consent forms may be used to establish arbitration agreements, outlining the process for resolving disputes outside of traditional litigation. Furthermore, consent extends beyond pre-employment processes to encompass various aspects of the employer-employee relationship. From acknowledging receipt of employee handbooks to granting permission for specific job-related activities, consent forms serve as essential mechanisms for establishing mutual understanding and agreement. Conclusion: balancing legal instruments for fair employment practices. In the realm of USA labor law, affidavits and consent represent distinct yet complementary legal instruments, each serving a unique purpose in ensuring fairness and accountability within the workplace. While affidavits provide evidentiary support in legal proceedings by offering sworn testimonies of truth, consent forms facilitate mutual agreement and understanding regarding employment terms and conditions. By recognizing the distinctions between affidavits and consent and leveraging them effectively, stakeholders can navigate labor disputes, contractual agreements, and employment relationships with clarity and integrity. Ultimately, harmonizing these legal instruments is essential for upholding the principles of fairness, transparency, and justice in the dynamic landscape of labor law.